Inspire whether you think you can or think you cannot, you are right. You cannot depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. Either you run the day or the day runs you. I do not trust words, I trust actions. Either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. Worry about your character and not your reputation, because your character is who you are and your reputation is only what people think of you. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. These are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. Why do we fall? So we can learn to pick ourselves up. A person who is quietly confident makes the best leader. He who learns but does not think is lost. He who thinks but does not learn is in great danger. Ask yourself if what you are doing today is getting closer to where you want to be tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new day and a new start to make things the best they can be. Let someone know what they mean to you. What makes you different or weird? That's your strength. We all start as strangers. Sometimes walking away has nothing to do with a weakness and everything to do with a strength. You may be disappointed if you fail, but you will be doomed if you do not try. True originality consists not in a new manner but in a new vision. Tomorrow is the most important thing in life, comes into us at a midnight very clean. It is perfect when it arrives and puts itself in our hands. It hopes we have learned something from yesterday. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Wisdom, compassion, and courage are the three universally recognized moral qualities of a man. If we magnified our successes as much as we magnify our disappointments, we would all be much happier. There are two ways of separating a light, to be the candle or the mirror that reflects it. The truly rich are those who enjoy what they have. A true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. The temptation to quiet will be greater just before you are about to succeed. Necessity is the mother of taking chances. If your ship does not come in, swim out to it. The superior man is modest in his speech but exceeds in his actions. A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not by the desire to beat others. No man succeeds without a good woman behind him, wife or a mother. If it is both, he is twice blessed indeed. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Your time is limited, so do not waste in living someone else's life. Someday is not a day of a week. Look at the sky, we are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. It is not the size of the dog in the fight, it is the size of the fight in the dog. A setback is a step up for a comeback. Set goals, exercise, love yourself. Focus on fitness, rest and relax, eat right, smile, portray positive, enjoy life, care for others, tell yourself you can do this. It calls self respect. I mean,